God, this is so tight.
Yeah.
This is a nightmare.
Your lane.
This is a complete nightmare. Truck drivers.
They want to drive in the middle.
They seem super worried that they might spin out somewhere.
They didn't stop and put chains on none of them.
Yep.
And they don't have four-wheel drive.
Which makes it a big deal. But lucky for us, we got... Oh. That doesn't look good. Whew. I get chills running up my spine. Luckily, we got four-wheel drive. Oh, looks like someone spun out. Come on, don't slam into our car or truck or whatever we drive. Well, figured since we're getting gas, might as well go out. Look at all this. Late February in Washington. Well, it looks like someone's being smart about their gas. All right. Snowy as hell out here. Oh my God, look how much space there is at that parking lot. Wish I had my meds so I could go do burnouts in that empty parking lot. How much longer? I'm gonna go put on a jacket. Guys, right there. Hopefully I don't slip. Gas is still going. Uh-oh. Are you sure you want to do that?
Huh?
Gas is still going. Okay. Come on. There we go. On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the snowy road again. Oh boy. Get out of the left lane, please. Unless you're brave, of course, or you have a SUV that is four-wheel drive like we do. Yay, no more snow. Now it's going to be wet road conditions from what it looks like till we get back home.